Hello and welcome everybody to another update video on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum and QNT. My name is Daniel and as always I will provide you with all the updates about my current price targets, my expectations and also all the updates about my current trades. If you don't want to miss out on that in the future, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this channel and activate the small little bell. And of course, as always, enjoy this video. And we're starting here straight on Ethereum 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see we are still in the target area for the fourth wave, which I already mentioned in yesterday's video. In my opinion, we saw here a 1-2 setup on a smaller time frames, a wave 3, now we are in the fourth wave, or this fourth wave could now easily be topped out in my opinion, and there should now be one last sell-off in the fifth wave, which can then complete this third wave. So overall, I'm expecting another low before the next correction towards the upside is coming. The low is, in my opinion, approximately here between 1680 and 1700 US dollars. This is my current expectation. Then I expect a wave 4 and another low in a fifth wave. If I zoom out here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that I'm still expecting lower targets here between 12 and 1400 US dollars below the A wave low. This is the most realistic wave count in my opinion right now, but this requires a strong sell-off at the moment right now or in the next immediate short term. That's why I'm in my short position, and I'm not really expecting this to go much higher in this current wave 4, to be honest. Let's now have a look at the Bitcoin US dollar chart, and as you can see, I changed the current wave count a little bit. The outcome is the same. We are still heading, in my opinion, down in the area between 17,500 and 19,500 in my opinion. But the only change I made is to count this as a 3-wave move in wave 1, then a wave 2. Now there should be a third wave, a fourth and a fifth wave, and this can then be all in all an ending diagonal in a C wave. This is why it's possible to count this as a 3-wave move in the wave 1. This is the only change I made. Otherwise, we would have it on the chart as wave 1-2, another wave 1-2, now another wave 1-2, and this would decrease the probabilities of this whole setup working out. So this is why I'm thinking this is a longer wave 1, then a wave 2. Now we are in a third wave, which would head down between 19,500 US dollars and 20,600 US dollars. Then there should be a fourth and a fifth wave, which can then finish off this correction or this impulse here in the C wave of this larger wave 2 correction. Let's now, last but not least, have a look at the QNT chart. And as you can see, we are still consolidating in something which is, in my opinion, a wave 4 of 5. So in my opinion, really the next low which happens can be the last one on this chart. As you know, I'm waiting for this target area since 6 months already, since the beginning of January. I placed here 2 target areas. One was up here, we reached it. The second one was down there. We are right now about to touch it, or we touched it already 2 times. But in my opinion, since this should now be an impulse down in the fifth wave, this was, in my opinion, a wave 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is only now the fifth wave missing of this impulse, which comes approximately to, let's say, I can even measure the target for you. It's no problem. It would be the 0.618 of this third wave extension, which would be at 92 US dollars. This is one very reasonable target. The other one would be the 1-to-1 ratio of the fifth wave, which would be at 94.5 US dollars. So also very accurately in my target area, and more towards the upside than towards the downside. As you can see, or as I've showed you, this is what I'm expecting. If we are coming down there, I will open long positions and buy some QNT for long term. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this information, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down in the comment section and activate the small little bell. And I thank you as always for your support. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope we'll see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.